Okay, this is Bonanza Banners program. It's a banner program. You're looking at one of the modules. This module is called splashpageframeup. We're looking mainly at this Bannex site. And you see down here, if you get on the bonus page, like I said, this module is called splashpageframeup. Affiliate disclosure. There may be an affiliate link in this video or anywhere around this video. If you see any links and you click them, they're probably affiliate links, and I'll probably earn a commission if you buy something at no additional cost to you. That's how the affiliate links function. We're talking about splashpageframeup. Earn easy Bannex credits while promoting other websites and programs. Just select a template, paste in your splash page link, and you are good to go. Get your links. So when you do that, here we go. You got the instructions here. It tells you what to do. Come here, create an ad link. You get to pick these different, my computer's going a little bit slow. I'm kind of overworking it. I've got a lot of stuff open. I hope it doesn't freeze up on me, and I hope these videos come out okay. Select a page layout. There's 4 different ones you can pick from. It just depends how you want the banners to show. So what it's going to do, it's going to put one of the banners from this site on with whatever site you're promoting, so that you'll be able to earn banner credits by doing this. Then you promote the link they give you. So all you do is pick one of these. I just left it on the first one. It has a giant 970 by 90 banner at the bottom. Then down here, step 2, you enter your splash page link. So in my case, I just used my my GDI index, like homepage link is what I put on mine. And it's a specialized version that the team created for that page. It's a nice one. You'll see it in a minute. So, like I said, you just on step 2, you pump in your URL of whatever splash page you're promoting. Then hit this big blue button that says create your frame up page. Okay, and then you'll get on your links tab here, you click that and you'll get your link for it. Then in my case, it's right here. Let's see if we can go. There it is. So this website WS, this is my GDI homepage on my website that I have on there. Domain space, domain name and website space. This is what I sell. I'm promoting it. You can make WordPress sites on there. They got something called Site Builder. You get your own WS domain name, which is for website. So instead of like .com, which is like commercial, this is .ws for website. So it's like my website, So in my case, I have the midnightcat.ws. So the midnightcat.website. You can do WordPress. There's something called Site Builder on here. It's a free trial for all this, 7-day free trial. You can test it out. Get email, web hosting, all kind of stuff. And they have an affiliate program. So bonuses, all kind of stuff. Get ready for the ride of your life. So anyways, this is the page. I'm going on and on about that. This is a module for, what is it for? It's for splash page frame up.